The PKP Intercity Class ED160 Stadler FLIRT EMU is a modern long-distance electric multiple unit. Manufactured by Stadler in collaboration with Nevag, these 8-car FLIRT 3 trains are capable of a maximum speed of 160 km per hour and offer passengers a comfortable and efficient travel experience. The ED160 units are part of PKP Intercity's efforts to modernize rail transport, providing improved accessibility and reliability for travelers across the country. I traveled on one of these from Warsaw to Nidzica, a 170 km journey that takes around 1 hour and 40 minutes. Let's take a look at this impressive train. Our journey begins at Warsaw Central Station, the main train station in Poland's capital. Opened in 1975 after a breakneck pace construction phase and modernized a number of times, it remains a key landmark in the very center of the city. Let's get inside and explore a bit. There are a number of openings providing a view onto the platforms. Our train is already there, right below. Next track is a pendolino to Gdańsk and Gdynia on the Baltic shore. At this point, some confusion. Our train featured 2 FLIRTs coupled together, with one detaching at the next station, Warsaw East. However, destination displays on both trains indicated Olsztyn. A quick check with a crew member confirmed that the first set was the only one going to Nidzica and then on to Olsztyn. The PKP Intercity FLIRT includes a small but still full-featured bistro annex, where I'm looking forward to a breakfast. Okay, let's get on board. We depart right on time and immediately enter the tunnel under the very center of Warsaw. Our train is the 7:35 departure IC 1523 to Olsztyn, and the name of the train is Mazury, named after the Thousand Lake region in the northeast of Poland. Shortly, we cross the Wisła River and arrive at the last of 3 stops in Warsaw, the Warszawa Wschodnia or Warsaw East station. As we are about to depart Warsaw East, let's take a closer look at the first-class accommodation. There's quite generous space and a smallish but sturdy fold-down table with an extension for a laptop. A retractable coat hook in the seat back is complemented with more coat hooks arranged under the overhead luggage rack. There are a reading lamp and seat reservation displays above each seat. We also have a footrest and a netting for personal items. The small amount of recline does not detract from the generally comfortable seat. There is also window shade and a very comfortable headrest. On the opposite side, the double seat is similarly featured. The overall ambience of the FLIRT is airy, modern, and very agreeable, and there are full-length luggage shelves down both sides of the car. This train is Wi-Fi equipped with pretty decent speeds. The FLIRT maximum speed is 160 km per hour, reached for most of the journey. For this trip I booked a single front to back seat, however most of the seats are around tables, in bays of 2 like this one, or 4 with pretty generous legroom and space. Once it is folded out, the shared table is quite large for 4 people. And under the seats you'll find power sockets, 1 for each seat. In addition to the overhead luggage shelves, there are large luggage stacks placed throughout the train. Even more luggage space can be found between the backs of seats. Alright, let's take a walk to the restaurant as it's time for breakfast. The restaurant is in a portion of one of the second-class cars. Small area with only 8 seats, but with full kitchen where you can get cook-to-order meals. It's great that PKP Intercity places emphasis on providing full gastronomy service on many long-distance trains. Delicious cappuccino, sparkling water, and scrambled eggs. It's what's for breakfast. After a quick stop in Działdowo, we leave the Warsaw to Gdańsk main line and diverge onto the single-track line to Olsztyn.
Next station, Nidzica. Final station, Olsztyn Główny.
Most of the restrooms were quite small. However, they're all functional, clean, and everything worked well. The FLIRT EMU is built by Stadler at their facilities in Siedlce, east of Warsaw. FLIRT is a German language acronym that translates to Fast, Light, Innovative Regional Train. The original design dates back to first deliveries in 2004 and has been updated continuously ever since. It's a huge success for Stadler, with thousands of units sold. I found the train very comfortable, modern, and wonderfully pleasant to travel in. After 1 hour and 40 minutes, it was soon time to alight in Nidzica. Nidzica is a town in the northwest part of Poland with a population of about 15,000. I didn't have much time to explore other than a short visit to the beautiful Teutonic castle, one of many in this part of Poland. I leave you with some highlights of this compact castle dating back to the 1370s. Thank you so much for watching.